Before I enrolled in the Cybersecurity Bootcamp, I was a professional cook for 8 years. I worked in a lot of really nice restaurants in downtown Raleigh and did some sourdough baking. And then I did some serving, and now I'm in the world of cybersecurity. I thought the bootcamp would be a better option than going back to university, just because I was ready to switch careers immediately as fast as possible. And I wanted to do something that I could kind of get in and out and be prepared to start applying for jobs. It's a very well-rounded program. It's for people of all levels of technical skills. We have people who barely know how to use a computer, and they're learning cybersecurity and hacking and privilege escalation and stuff like that, just like the rest of us. And then there's people like me who aren't in the tech field. And then we have people who have tons of experience and are great resources and really helpful. And I would recommend it to others if you're looking to get into cybersecurity, or if you're looking to elevate your skills within the technical field. I did work with Career Services. They have a really good resume template, and they have multiple ones that you can choose from just based on like what your background is. And then they help you with your transferable skills, which was a big one for me because restaurants are so different than technical. But there's a lot of skills that can be transferred from that into the technical field. So they helped me kind of highlight that and highlight my skills that I could apply to the technical world. And they also really helped a lot with my LinkedIn profile. I actually got hit up on LinkedIn with my job, and they found me. So if I wouldn't have followed their instructions on how to build my profile, I probably wouldn't have gotten it.